Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset AI plus Nova to 5G phone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong pin, try again. Okay, to do a hard reset, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide downward to power it off. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now first press the volume up and then power button, and when the AI logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button, and you can see it will send you in Android recovery mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. All stored data on this device will be deleted. Now go to factory data reset and confirm, and here you can see on bottom data wipe complete. Now simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard set might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set when again ask for password, pin or pattern, use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard set AI plus Nova to 5G phone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.